Hello students, myself Kushali Satkute. Again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, in our 5th standard EVS first chapter Motions of the Earth. In previous lecture we learned about year, leap year and also different phases of the moon. In this lecture we have to start our new chapter, the Earth and Living World. Students, we all are live on Earth. So in this chapter we have to learn about details about Earth and their living world. So you see in your book. Students, look here. Here some questions are given. So come along, let's begin. Let's reflect on these questions. These 4 questions. Read these questions. Where do you get water from? Second question. Where do we lay the foundation of buildings? Then third question. What need do we meet through building? Okay, last one question is, from where does the earth get light and heat? Students, try to find answer of these questions. Okay, now let we start our chapter. Look here. On the surface of the earth, we find land in some places and water in others. The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. There are living things on land, in water and in the air. Students, we see another plants, another animals, also another organisms in water. Means in water we see always some plants, some animals and also some organism. We already know a land is numerous. Animals and plants are living on the earth. In animals, we also in all means we all are live on the earth. Do you understand, students? Okay, next, the sun is the cause of many natural processes. Which is the cause of many natural processes? Correct. The sun is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. Students, means sun is main source of energy. Always remember, who is the main source of energy? Correct. Sun is the main source of energy. That is all the organisms on earth. Students, tell me, for living on earth, which need or take for example human. Which conditions are needed to living on earth for human? Correct. That is all the organisms on the earth get air, water and land constitute the main components of the earth, namely the atmosphere, second is hydrosphere and third one is lithosphere. What is mean of atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere? Okay, now see, air is known as atmosphere. Air is known as atmosphere. Water is called as hydrosphere. Means, what is hydrosphere? Water is called as hydrosphere. And then land is called lithosphere. So, atmosphere means air, hydrosphere means water and lithosphere means land. Students, the biosphere spreads in all the other 3 spheres. Now let's see all details of this sphere as along with this lesson. Look here, students. The lithosphere and the hydrosphere. The Earth's crust is hard. It is mainly made of rock. Now, Earth's crust. Students, the Earth's crust is hard. It is mainly made of rock. Now tell me, what do you mean by Earth's crust? The word crust means outer covering. So, the Earth's crust means the outer part of the earth. Again listen. What is mean of Earth's crust? Earth's crust means the outer part of the earth, and it is made up of rock. So it is very hard. How as rocks? Rocks are always hard, and Earth's crust is made up of rock. So it is very hard. Okay. You understand, students, up to here? Okay. Students, when we travel in hilly region, what we see? We see layers of soil and rock along road cuts. Means at the side of roads, we see how the layers of rocks and how the layers of soil has formed. So, we also see grassy expanses of land, large amount of land that is full of grass and greenery. But students, all places or at all places there is greenery or full of grass? No. Some places we did not found any greenery and trees, also grass. We only see sand of there, and some places land is covered with crops, and other places and land is covered with forest. Do you understand up to here? Students, sometimes we get to see the deeper layers of soil into which trees' roots spread. This is as we pass or we see deeper layers of soil, and we see how the roots spread deep. At others we see rocks split apart by the tree's roots. Again listen, at others we see rocks split where apart by the tree's roots. And when we travel on hilly region or hilly stations and all that, we see big rocks that have split open by old trees, plant that grow there. Do you understand, students, up to here? Okay, in this lecture we learn about lithosphere or hydrosphere or also atmosphere, but very small information. In next lecture, students, we will learn all details about atmosphere, lithosphere and also hydrosphere. So, do you understand up to here? Okay. Next lecture we will learn about lithosphere, hydrosphere and also atmosphere. So, thank you.